Ever had one of those days where your car just feels a bit lacking? No seamless smartphone hookups, messy gear rolling around, blinding midday sun, or sticky pit stop struggles. We've rounded up 19 Amazon picks tailored to fix every little daily annoyance and upgrade both everyday drives and spontaneous adventures, from a solid VW-friendly infotainment swap to a mini roof tent. Links to all are right in the description below. Ever found yourself stuck looking for solid Volkswagen car footage? This Volkswagen General B-roll is exactly what you need. It's packed with exterior and interior shots of all kinds of VW models. No more hunting, just easy, ready-to-use clips. Ever frustrated that your factory VW radio doesn't have wireless CarPlay or Android Auto? The RCD 360 Pro 3S fixes that by integrating cleanly into your dash, adding that seamless wireless upgrade you've been wanting. No more tangled cords, just instant, easy connectivity every time you get in. Ever wanted window tint but cringed at how much pro jobs cost? Well, this car window tint kit has you covered. It's a complete DIY setup with all the tools you need. No more shelling out big bucks just for that sleek, sun-blocking look. It's a total game changer for anyone wanting to do it themselves. If you make Amazon car listing videos or casual auto content and keep striking out finding crisp, professional, landscape format clips that fit almost any scene, you're not alone. Say hello to the Pexels add-on RCD 360, curated just for creators. This free kit drops tons of sharp, usable automotive shots and clips right into your workflow that you can use anywhere. Ever had your phone slip right out of its holder when you hit a bump? So annoying, right? Product number 5 is the car phone holder air vent ventilation clip. Its strong clip keeps your phone firmly attached to the vent no matter how bumpy the road gets. Just a heads up, the price isn't available right now. Ever had your phone mount shake or even fall off mid-drive? That's such a hassle, right? This magnetic phone car mount fixes it with strong suction that keeps your phone steady, and it's fully adjustable. That's product number 6. Product 7. Stop sweating through your shirt mid-golf round or rush hour commute when your car's AC or weak cart vents just don't cut it. This compact portable 12V car fan clips right anywhere. Seat back, dashboard, even a golf cart roof for instant spot cooling. Plus, swivel it and toggle the speed dial for that perfect airflow you crave. Ever open your trunk and find groceries, tools, and daily items sliding around making a total mess? This foldable trunk organizer fixes that with separate compartments to keep everything neat and in place. It's product number 8 in this video, great for anyone who wants a tidy car space. Ugh, ever try cracking the window at a rest stop or while camping and get swarmed by mosquitoes? Product number 9 is the car mosquito net for camping. It covers your window with breathable mesh so you can keep the fresh air flowing without letting bugs in. Total game changer for those overnight stays. Ever wished you could spontaneously get away but don't have room for bulky camping gear in your daily car? This Amazon roof tent comes in both hard and soft top styles, so it fits your regular ride perfectly. It turns your everyday vehicle into a quick, comfortable getaway spot whenever you need it. Ever feel your old steering wheel slipping or getting worn out during daily drives? The Kafik Universal Microfiber cover fixes that. Its breathable, anti-slip design boosts grip and comfort while protecting your original wheel. It fits most cars, making every drive way more pleasant. Tired of hunting for real car clips to elevate your RCD 360 series videos? This RCD 360 Volkswagen installation showcase is exactly what you need. It comes with over 20 high-quality Volkswagen interior driving clips to make your content shine. That's product number 12 in video 1. Okay, product 13 here. If you've ever hopped in your sun-baked car midday and grabbed that scorching vinyl steering wheel, you know that split-second jump back is so not fun. This microfiber non-slip cover fixes that perfectly. It's super breathable, too, so no sticky sweat pooling on your hands on long, hot drives. Ever caught yourself fumbling for your phone in the cup holder or glancing way down for directions while driving? It's totally unsafe, so check out this magnetic car phone mount. It holds your phone rock solid right in your sight line, so you can adjust it or grab it with just one hand. Ugh, come back after lunch in the parking lot, and you've got a steering wheel so hot you need gloves, seats sticky as glue, and your AC cranking for ages just to cool down a little? This car windshield sunshade umbrella fixes it in seconds. Just pop it open over your windshield, tuck the edges a little, and no more blazing sun baking your interior even on the hottest summer days. Ugh, that hot commute bummer when your iced coffee goes warm or your chocolate melts sticky by mile 10. No more with product number 16. It's a sleek, compact car mini fridge that plugs straight into your 12V outlet and keeps drinks icy and treats warm on the go. Solo or carpool, it's a game changer. Ever had a little scrape on the road and no way to show what really happened? This front and rear dash cam records both directions, giving you complete coverage for every daily drive. No more he said, she said, just clear proof when you need it. Ever grab your phone during a long drive only to find it's dead and charging takes forever? This USB car charger quick charge plugs right into your car outlet with multiple ports to power up all your devices quickly. No more waiting around when you're on the go. Tired of fumbling with charging cables while your iPhone dies on the road? This magnetic car wireless charger snaps right onto your phone instantly, no messy wires. Just mount it, lock your device in, and you're powered up safely hands-free. Hey, which of these 19 car gadgets was your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. All links are in the description, so check them out. If you liked this first video in the series, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. More great stuff is on the way. Thanks for watching.